So you need to generate some income while you're in retirement. Well, you're not alone. That's the one of the biggest headaches while you're in retirement. The good is that you're not working anymore. The unfortunate thing is that you have the specter of inflation and time eating away at your assets. There's a couple of things to take into consideration. Number one, what you want your risk to reward to be. As you've seen from the stock market the last couple of years, it's gone from 14,000 to 6,500, back up to 11. This May, it's dropped 12% in a month. So what do you want your risk to reward to be, and how much risk do you want to take? Will you be able to sleep at night? If you have all of your money tied up in the stock market and you have less than 15 years, um, consider scaling back your stock exposure. Of course, you should always consult with your financial advisor before making any type of financial decision. But know that there has been no 15-year time period that the stock market has shown a decline. That includes the depression and as well as the last 15 years after dividends were invested. Studies have shown that you can safely withdraw about 4% of your investable assets. That's your liquid assets. So if you're a millionaire today, again, congratulations, great job. So you can safely withdraw about 4% or about 40 grand. Now, 25 years from now, because of inflation, if we have the average inflation of about 3%, that 40 grand is going to turn into about 20. So your purchasing power is going to be eaten away by about half. So while you have $1 million today and you're living okay on 40 grand, you have to ask yourself whether you can afford to live on 20 in about 15 to 20 in about 20 years from now. If you own your own home, you have a lot of opportunities. There's a couple of things you can do. You can opt to sell your house and downsize into a townhome or an apartment. You can take out a reverse mortgage, or you can take out a home equity loan and live off the home equity. The other thing to consider is your overall health, how much your health insurance will be, and if you'll be taking out long-term care insurance, which for most people is a very, very good idea. Your assets can be eaten up very, very quickly by an illness. So if you're looking for financial advisors or a reverse mortgage company to deal with in your area, check us out at investorzoo.com. We have a very, very big directory of companies in your area to choose from. Just make sure that if you're going to go with an advisor or any professional that deals in finance, that they are licensed either by FINRA or any of the governmental agencies. Make sure you do your due diligence and definitely check them out. And whatever plan they put together for you, make sure it makes sense to you. Make sure you can sleep at night knowing that when the next correction or when the next recession hits, that your guys got you protected. This is Larry Lane for InvestorZoo.com. If you'd like to check out additional blogs, please visit us at InvestorZoo.com, or you can opt to post your own and give back to our community. Thanks and have a good rest of the day.